Winter printer maintenance. How to protect your printer during cold weather. The weather is getting colder. When the machine is printing, there are often ink breaks, vertical lines. Don't worry, follow us to do the following points to ensure that your machine can work normally. Number 1. Temperature. After the temperature drops, the nozzle is prone to false blockage. That is, individual nozzles are disconnected. This is because the same ink. When the temperature drops, the viscosity will increase. When the viscosity is too high, it's easy to have disconnection during high-speed printing. After cleaning the print head, the above problem will be repeated. At this time, the baseplate heating on the Super A800 series printer can show its skills. We can turn on the switch of baseplate heating in the software. Then this baseplate heating function will automatically turn on when the environment is lower than 25 degrees Celsius. It stops when it reaches 25 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the ink is always at a suitable temperature. In addition, if the temperature is too low, nor is it good for the ink coating to absorb the ink, nor the evaporation of the ink solvent, which can easily cause ink accumulation. So we can appropriately increase temperature of the front and rear heating platforms. Second point, humidity. In winter, the temperature is low and the humidity in the air is low, and the air is dry, causes the ink remaining on the printhead to dry, causing nozzle clogging. In addition, a dry environment makes our materials curl more easily, especially films. When the material curls up at the edges, it may touch our printhead. When the situation is serious, that may damage our printhead and motor. We can appropriately increase the humidity and raise the indoor temperature. Our consumables should be sealed when stored. The third point, static electricity. It's easy for static electricity to occur in winter. Excessive static electricity will affect the working life of the DTF printer and affect the life of the nozzle. You can reduce static electricity in the following ways. The first point is to configure a humidifier to increase air humidity. Humidity should be kept between 35% to 65%. The humidifier should be kept at some distance from the printer's board. Avoid dew condensation, causing short circuit of the board card. The second point is to connect a ground wire outside the machine. With a depth of not less than 2 meters, we can also pour some normal saline at the grounding point to increase its conductivity. The third point is to properly control the machine's printing speed to prevent excessive static electricity. The fourth point is that dust can cause nozzle clogging and cause printhead disconnection, so we need to clean the printhead regularly to prevent dust from blocking the nozzle. Therefore, we must take proper measures when the weather gets colder to ensure the normal operation of the printing process. These are some tips for maintaining your printer in winter. If you encounter any other issues during printing, feel free to contact us anytime.